Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create a website in Canva. But starting with the tutorial, if you are new on my channel, then please go ahead and click subscribe button down. So without wasting much time friends, let's start with this tutorial. So guys, open canva.com and create an account on this canva.com using your social login like Facebook or Google. And once you log in, you are going to see this page. Then click on websites. Now, under this website screen, you are going to see different types of websites, templates, which you can use for creating websites. Like if you want to create a business website, then you need to click on this business website. If you want to create an events website, then you can click on this events website. If you want to create a educational website, then click on this and similar with retail website and other templates. So you can scroll over here down also. There are different types of website templates. So now let's click on this business website. So let's create a business website. So whatever template you want, you can select that. But let me create a business website in this tutorial. So let's click this. So as soon as I click on it, a new window will open in the browser and we are going to see a canvas over here. So guys, this is how we start the initial process of creating website inside Canva. So this is one page. So and at the left side you have designs. Under designs you can see the different types of design layouts, basically the templates which you can use. Now let's use this one as the home page. So I'll select this one, just click on it. So as soon as you click on it, then you are going to see all the basically all the pages which are there inside the particular template. So click on apply all five pages. So as soon as you click, all the five pages will basically be added in the canvas. So this is my website. So now we can customize the look and feel of the website. Like I'll change the name over here. So I'll say basically I'll say code it. Okay. And I'll say code it headset. Okay. I'll say code code it headphone. I'll say okay. Then we can change the image also by just clicking on the image and we can delete it and we can add a new one. So we can do that. And at the bottom we have shop by category. We have the images over here the of different categories. We can change the name over here by just double clicking. We can change the description. We have the shop all button. When I click on shop all button, we'll have to redirect users to a particular page. So how we can add a link. So guys, over here, if you see now, when I click on it, it shows me basically a option to basically give text color, bold, italic, and all. I can also animate this particular button. Now let's see how we animate the button. So select button and click on animate. Now basically you can see that how you can give the animation. Also, if you see now these elements are also animating. So this is how we customize the elements. So whatever elements which are there we can customize. I can change the address and all. So now in order to preview the website you need to click on this preview button over here. So as soon as you click, a new basically a pop-up will come, and on this pop-up you can see the whole website. So there you go. So you have the headphones and all, and we have changed this name to code it. So this is the website that we have created on Canva. It's super easy. You can create any kind of website on canva.com within 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can publish on Google. So this is how. And even guys, if you see over here, there is the option called resize on mobile. If that is not ticked, then it will be not resized on mobile. So this, in order to resize it on mobile, you need to enable this. Now if you see, if I select the mobile version, then the content is automatically resized. That's how. And in order to publish, you need to click on publish button. Now let's click on publish website. So as soon as you click on publish website, guys, you can see that you'll get a basically option to connect to a particular domain, a free domain you are going to get, or you can connect to a particular domain. Like if you have a domain called xyz.com, you can connect to it. You can do that, or you can basically host it on canva.com for free. So let's click on continue. Now we'll give it a name. I'll say basically 123 test, and we'll add one more characters, testing. Okay, and we'll click on continue. Basically 123 test testing dot my dot canva dot site. Okay, and we'll click on continue. So as soon as you click on the continue, you'll get a option. Basically we need to give a name for the page, so I'll say home. Okay, and we can even give a description, a test website. So this will help in search engine optimization, SEO of your website. So based on this test page description, your the page will appear in Google. And now let's click on advanced settings. Over here, if you see search engine visibility is enabled, that means it will be visible in Yahoo, then Bing.com, and even Google.com. Now let's click on publish. So as soon as we click on publish, then it will start the process of publishing our website. So this is how it's super easy to publish the website also. Now let's click on view website. So there you go, guys. Our website has been hosted for free on Canva. So it's super easy. So in within like few minutes only we have created a website and we have hosted it also. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how to create website using Canva and how we can host it. So guys, please go ahead and click subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. Also please like and share this video. Thank you.